Jenkins, the Quad Cuber, and today, guess who we are? We're at the Thursday Jenkins fireworks.
Woo! Fireworks!
Meatball! So I thought I'd upload a quick video. And let's wait till the fireworks are over.
It's so beautiful!
Meatball. Alright, let's wait till the fireworks are over. They're pretty loud, actually. I'm not scared of them or anything. It's just, Whoa, look at that. It's like Saturn. Boom. Excuse me. Boom. 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 They're so beautiful, guys. Sorry, there's an obnoxious one.
That was cool.
Yeah, it was. So what do you say? What do you think? What do you guys think of like fall and stuff? Those funny random videos that we post a little bit. Let me know what you think of those in the comments if you want them to keep coming or really not, but all right. These are beautiful. Look at that one.
They don't like fall down like that. That's cool.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Check that out. Trying to get out all I can for you guys. So if you guys aren't here at the Thursday fireworks, 2017 August, what day? 31st?
Yeah.
August 31st of 2017, 9 o'clock p.m. Then, well, now you guys have a chance to watch it. It's actually really beautiful. This is what we should have done for our 4th of July video. That one really hasn't gotten much feedback. I don't think you like that one. Oh, geez. That came out of nowhere.
There's a big one.
Ooh. Ow. Ow. These are beautiful, guys. Whoa, did you see that one?
Cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was a nice one.
Yeah, that one was pretty cool. Oh, geez. Sorry, guys. I really hope you like this video. Well, the fireworks aren't over. Dang, look at that one. That one's like blue. Maybe stop it, Meatball. Stop. That one's our official cut. Stop! Meatball, you idiot! You're ruining the video. Thank you. Meatball's gone now. Oh wow, see that one, guys? That one was like the official colors of the Quad Cuber. I think the official colors are gonna be blue and orange. You guys want? Yeah, actually, let me know in the comments. What do you think the official Quad Cuber colors should be? Oh yeah, and thank you, Meatball, for giving me that thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. That was these awesome fireworks. For this awesome fireworks show. Well, that's on all. Ball, really. Look at that one. Whoa, see that one? Whoa. Whoa. Look at these. These are actually really beautiful fireworks, guys. Whoa. These are awesome. I really hope you enjoy them. Oh, I think these are the finales. Oh. I think this one's not. Whoa!
That's cool. It's left a trail of stuff.
Oh yeah. Whoa! That was good.
It's so beautiful.
Meatball. Alright, guys. This video is hitting the 5-minute mark. I don't know if you guys want to see this. No.
Let's start the video.
Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, this is Aquatic Cuber and Meatballs signing off. Peace.